Today we have a Audi A3 in for a hood clean and re-proof. It comes with a special offer on the exterior wax spray as well. We're also cryotoxin just the roof rubbers, and we're doing the drain flush as well. We can see that someone in its past has obviously tried to jet wash the dirt out of the roof, as you can see. So hopefully we can get all the dirt out, and then we can get them to blend in when we put our protection products on. So by the looks of it, the roof is what's letting this car down at the moment. So hopefully we can do what we do, and hopefully it will bring it back to life. We can see that we've got the wear marks here, which we know that obviously they don't go away, but they could blend in. But we're hoping to get the top roof all blended so it all looks nice. Because as you can see there, it looks like a bit of a graffiti kind of writing on the top of the roof there. So there we go. Okay, so we've got the Audi A3 which come in with a hood clean and re-proof. So as we can see, the roof looks like brand new. So it's come up really well. It's had the special exterior valet as well, the spray wax. And just come round as well. And we've put a bit of tyre shine on the car as well. So it made it look absolutely lovely.